Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, Sky Juice is still here with us, and the last time we played this game with him, we had so much fun, and it's back. So it's Marry, Date, and Sip. For those who don't know about this game, we'll put up a picture of a female celebrity, and Sky Juice will tell us if he would marry them, date them, or if he don't like them, he'll just sip some of the water. But I know say I have two people who I have to big up first, but you have to make it fast.
Yeah, man. I have to be a big up down sound, you know. See, him father do a big up bug, and me sure the whole of one, me sure put something on the thing. I'm coming around right after this. And big up Pathfinder Plaza, the whole of Pathfinder. The whole of Pathfinder, big up. Man, the whole of Portmore, big up. Sky Juice there, live.
All right, that's a real selector intro now. All right, so you ready? All right, we can get to that game now.
All right, so we're going to bring out the first picture, or first celebrity. So this is the fabulous voice, Celine Dion.
Yeah.
Look right there, sir. Waiting. Celine Dion, marry, date,
married to her, date her, or you know,
or pass, or oops, Remember Celine, billionaire. All right, that's a negative on Celine Dion.
That's right away.
All right, that's right. Well, next picture we have
dancehall queen Khalid.
Yeah. There was a look before the sip too. There's a story there, I think. I think so.
All right, next one. Fly through them fast. All right, next. Jada Kingdom. Heavy.
Hey, what are we saying? We're marrying, we're dating, or we're sipping?
No, we need 2 glasses of water for Sky.
We need some more water, maybe. All right, we're not going to go in that one.
The next one is
Shensia.
Hey, you might think about it.
I think that was Are we married?
I'm set her up.
I thought I was going to go another way, but okay. All right.
So the next one.
All angles.
Dion Jackson Miller.
Yes.
Would you marry her?
Dion Jackson Miller. What are we saying? All angle star. Marry, date, or we sip it?
I
think maybe
that looks like a date.
Is it a date? Are we marrying?
Which one? Married, date?
Married or date?
Not married or a date or a married. Yeah. We say married, but it's still a sip. He's not interested, but
he's gonna marry her, but he's still sipping. All right, excellent.
So how it go? If you want to marry, you have to say marry. If you want to date, you have to say date.
All right.
And if you don't know nothing, then you sip.
But you can't sip if you like them.
All right.
Me don't want to go for that.
Let me tell you something now.
Yeah.
Before me sip, maybe big up my real wife, Sister Dolly. And my kids them.
I love that.
Yes, Sister Dolly.
You hear that?
Give them a Bev.
Okay. Alright, so the next person. Who's the next person?
We just had Wendy Williams.
Wendy Williams.
The talk show Wendy. Would you marry Wendy?
You know, set me up, you know.
Date Wendy?
So we do the program. This is the last time. I don't remember how it
okay.
So
we understand.
I have a little
so you would have marry her, date her.
So if you marry, just say marry. Date, you just
married.
Marry Wendy. Okay, Wendy. Okay.
Next one.
All right. What did Wendy say? She have a famous quote. I can't remember. Next one, we have. Oh, who's this?
Steph London.
Steph London.
Married.
Okay. Okay. I feel marriage is happening.
Steph nice too. Steph
you know if a girl that long live Oliver on my right hand. I love that girl, but you know, long live Oliver. Big up yourself.
See it.
You love that girl, Oliver. Big up yourself.
Steph have a realness about her when I like.
You like
Oliver.
Yeah, I like it.
All right. Okay.
Monique.
No, Monique. Remember?
Comedian Monique.
I was going to say Moesha. You know Monique?
Data.
I agree. Don't sip. I'm thirsty.
Then suppose him come on the date.
Yeah, thirsty.
It's hot. It's thirsty. But you date Monique. I agree. Yeah. Monique are good as.
Camila Johnson.
Yeah.
Senator Johnson. What do we think?
Senator. Or data.
You date her?
Yeah.
Okay. I agree. Dating.
Nasty.
Lisa
Hannah.
What? The game are coming nice now. The game just get nice now. The game are coming nice now.
So are you marrying Lisa? Yep. You just dating Lisa, or you just like negative?
Date her.
So you're dating her, not marriage for Lisa?
No. Don't cost me too much. Don't cost me too much. Me stick to my wife, Sister Dolly.
Right, okay. That's right. I like that.
Carrie Douglas.
Carrie Douglas?
Politician, car.
She's a politician. She's very young.
Jamaican.
Jamaican.
And I'm going to set up the...
No, no.
Yes, she knows.
I date her.
Date her. Date her. All right. Next, we have the fabulous. I believe that is that Crystal Tomlinson.
Hey. Moses, I never me pick the picture them.
Crystal
I never me pick the picture them being.
Moses.
Being
girl. Yeah. Try drink the
You know you're right.
Yeah, drink the water. Now you're Beanie, I never be.
This is Beanie and a Misa. So big up yourself, Beanie Moses. Anyway, the sky just right here.
Hey.
Big up yourself. Father Paul, the maestro, big up.
Yeah.
Father Paul.
He's like, I'm not there. I'm not about it. Not about it. Okay, who do we have next? Ooh.
Angel.
Really? Really? I want to go in here, sir. Even I know. What is happening?
Let me tell you something. Angel is my friend.
Okay.
He's my good friend.
Okay.
Respect to Angel.
Yeah.
So married, date, or sip? You still have to answer the question. Are you married?
Yeah, drink it, man. Just.
So that's a negative. But Sky Juice, yeah, drink enough though, man.
Yeah.
You just drink.
Icon, you call on them hot bars. Big up yourself, Icon, you call on them hop there, Icon.
Oh my goodness. All right, we have
Next, Kamala
our
Harris.
newly selected Vice VP.
Possibly
possible
will
VP.
be the vice president of the United
Kamala
States.
Harris.
And it's a yardie. Well,
What do we think?
Yardish.
She's 55.
Yardish.
She's half Jamaican, half Indian. She's about to become the VP, we hope.
Are you dating?
Dater, not married.
Not married.
yeah, we can't-
Negative. So there's dating.
Not married.
So far, there's no one he'd marry. Big up wifey. Uh-huh.
Empress.
Empress.
Golden.
Ooh!
Empress.
Well, one more for you. Empress.
Empress.
Golden.
I know Empress come on TV.
You
Yeah,
see,
man.
same one.
Wait, are we marrying?
Eh?
Are we dating? Or no thanks, I'll pass.
Empress.
Empress.
Dating.
Dating.
Steve, I never be.
I feel that
Listen to me now.
daytime life is rather shady today.
Friends with
Oh,
Kerry
we have one more.
Washington.
Kerry Washington. What do we think? Kerry Washington is Scandal.
Scandal.
You know Scandal? It's Kerry Washington. Yeah.
Dater.
Dater.
Yeah, she have like a Jamaican style still.
So
Friends with the shoulder, big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
Friends for real, big up. Friends for real.
I believe that Mr. Sky Juice, sir, is saying that knows where he lives, and he's very much like, honey, me never marry nobody. Nobody. And I like that. He's like, you're not getting me. I know where I'm going later. I love that.
Big up wife again.
I love that.
Sister Dolly, big up. Pathfinder Plaza, big up the whole Bobo stop trust the people in liquor.
Yeah.
Bobo one and again
Bobo,
Bobo.
trust the people them liquor,
This week,
Bobo.
we soon come home.
All right.